Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Karul Geshohi and I'm a fashion designer. This is part of my work. I use my craft to tell the African story in a creative way with the intention of offering solutions to African problems. And we began a conversation about driving change in the African continent. And there's a collection that I'm currently working on, which I talked about in my previous episodes. And the idea is to bring out or to capture the essence of leadership in driving change in the African continent. So now today I'll be talking about structural transformation from a biblical perspective, or what I call societal shift. Now, one thing we need to realize is that the world did not craft itself. The world has a maker. And anytime there is a problem, anytime the world is plagued, anytime the world is in trouble, solution to its problem does not have an earthly origin, but a heavenly origin. And structural transformation is a thing that God does. In Genesis 1, we see the Lord transformed a dilapidated and a void state into an environment that the man would thrive in. Genesis 1:28 reveals that dominion is tied to fruitfulness. To be fruitful is to be productive or be able to create something of value that the world can enjoy. So God's strategy for transforming the world, God's strategy for influencing change in the world is the productivity of man. And whatever originates in God bears his nature, so that when it is manifested in the earth, it is going to infuse the earth with his nature, and that will automatically bring transformation. And again, whatever originates from God already has a standard that is above the problem and the obstacle that we are dealing with. So being able to produce and to create or to innovate is the driving force behind structural transformation. If you're going to drive change, in our communities, we must be able to formulate systems and structures that have their origin in God, so that we can infuse the earth with the nature of God and bring transformation. And this type of transformation, like societal transformation, is a development of a civilization. When the Bible says that we are a city on a hill, a city is not just a center of commercial activities. A city represents a civilization or an advancement of the human society. So this is what I call societal shifts. So innovation is the driving force behind structural transformation. Africa is dealing with entrenched obstacles, and projects alone will not address the underlying problems. If you're going to see sustainable change, we must be able to confront the root cause of issues. And for us to be able to address the root cause of issues, we must be able to formulate structures that can counter and override the obstacles. And these structures only have their origin in the maker, the one the crafter of the world. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to this channel and check out my website, karulgeshohi.org, where I talk about sustainable business innovation in Africa. And I'll be seeing you on the next one.